In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership in Google Sheets. This process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and detail so you can proceed confidently. So, let's get started. First, let's begin by opening up the Google Sheet to which you want to transfer ownership. You can access your Google Sheets by visiting the Google Drive website and finding the document from your drive. Once you have your Google Sheet open on your screen, you're ready to move on to the next step. The next thing you'll want to do is look for the Share button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on Share will open a new window that shows the Share with People and Groups interface. This interface allows you to manage who has access to your sheet and to what extent. It's quite an essential tool for collaboration. Now, with the sharing settings open, you'll need to enter the email address of the person to whom you want to transfer ownership. A key point to remember here is that the person you're transferring ownership to must have a Google account. Once you've entered their email address, make sure you've selected it so that they appear under the sharing settings list. Once the person you're transferring ownership to is listed there, click on Send. Doing this will send an invitation to the email address you entered. This is a critical step because it informs them that you are inviting them to become a collaborator on the document. This also ensures that they have access before you finalize the ownership transfer. After you've sent this invitation, keep the process going by clicking on Share once again. Now that the new collaborator has access, your next step is to look at the drop-down menu next to their name under the Share with People and Groups section. Click on this drop-down menu and you will see several options like Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. You need to select Editor, as only editors can be made owners. Now here comes the final stage of the transfer process. You'll see the option to transfer ownership right under the editor setting. By clicking on Transfer Ownership, you're starting the ownership transfer process. After this, a pop-up will appear to confirm your action. Select Send Invitation to formally initiate the transfer. When the new owner accepts this invitation, the ownership of the Google Sheet will officially transfer. At this point, you can click Done to exit the settings. And there you have it. Transferring ownership of a Google Sheet is as simple as following these steps. Remember, while the process is straightforward, it's pivotal to ensure that the person receiving ownership is prepared and understands their new role in managing the document.